guys, it's Miss Amber. I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library, and today for our Grundy Library Virtual Code Club, we're doing an exercise on hourofcode.com, and it's called Art Playground by Kano. This is best for our beginner coders, and it's perfect for anyone between the grades of 2 and 5. So let's get started. So here you can see the different exercises that you can work through, and we're going to start with the one called Sunny Day, so you can click on that. So it's telling us the first step to making our art is using the power of code by drawing a sun in the sky. So that's our goal. And we're going to set a background color. So we're opening the draw tray. So go over here and click on draw. And you can select this line of code and drag it over and make sure it connects in to your code that says when app starts. So now we have to change the color from white to blue. So you can click on this and you can select a blue color for the sky. Okay, next we're setting the color of the pen that we'll be using to draw. So you can open the draw tray. We're selecting this line of code, dragging it over. And if you're not sure where to connect it, you can look for the blinking yellow light. You're going to go right over there and snap it in. And then we're going to change the fill color from black to yellow for our sun. So you can click on black, and then you can select a color for your sun. All right, next we're going to draw a circle. Open the draw tray again. So we're going over here, clicking on draw. And this line of code says draw a circle radius, and then a number. So I'm snapping that in. And it's telling me that I need to change it from 5 to 100. So you can click on the 5 and then enter in 100. So for our next challenge, we're going to try and move the sun. So you can hit start. So we're going over here to the control tray, clicking on it. And then if you're confused about which line of code to select, again, you're going to look for that blinking yellow light. And I'm going to grab that block and then enter it in over here. Okay, once you have your code snapped in, you're going to change seconds to milliseconds. Okay, so now we have to go over here to the draw tray, select draw, clear drawing. I'm going to drag it over. And again, it's showing me where you need to connect it by that blinking yellow dot. So snap it in. We're going to open the draw tray again. All right, now it says draw, set background color. So we're going to add that in. Make sure you snap it in where you see the blinking yellow dot. And it's telling me I need to change it from white to blue. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to go back over here to the draw tray. And we're going to get our fill color. And we're changing that to yellow. We're opening the draw tray again. And this time we have to change the 5 to 400. And then we have to change this 5 to 300. Okay, open the draw tray. We're drawing the circle radius now, so we need to change the 5 to a 100. Okay, and now it's going to prompt me to add some hills in front of the sun. So I'm going to have to go back over here to our draw tray, add in another fill color. We're changing that to a green. Then selecting this code over here under your draw tray. It says draw, move to X. We're going to snap it in. And we're changing 5 to 600. And then we're changing the next 5 to 650. Okay, back to our draw tray. We're selecting this line of code, making sure you snap it in where it's prompting you. And then we're changing the 5 to a 400. So the first 5 is getting changed over to 400, and the second 5 is getting changed to a 200. Okay, so you can see over here that our hill started. So we're going to hit draw. And now we're going to drag this block into the code space. So it's telling me exactly which one it wants me to grab, taking it over here, connecting it. We have to change our numbers again. So this 5 is going to be a 200, and this 5 is going to be a 650. Okay, and then it's showing me that I need to change the fill color to a green. And then I'm opening the draw tray, and I'm moving this one down here. And I'm needing to change this 5 to a 400. So click on the 5, enter in your new number. And then the second 5, you need to switch over to a 200. And we have our 2 hills here. So now you can continue on, and you're going to make it interactive, and it's a lot of fun. There's a lot more challenges after this one as well. So I hope you guys continue through this Hour of Code challenge, and Miss Laura and I will see you at our next Grundy Library Code Club. Have a great week. Bye!